cars or car parts. So let's check out what we got. All right, box number one. All the way from China. We got some new carbon fiber mirror caps. Check these bad boys out. Check out the weave on them. That's real carbon too. All right, let's see what else we got here. Box number two. It is a grill for the car. The label says gloss black. If it is gloss black, I'm gonna lose my mind because this came all the way from China too. So, let's see what we got here. Please be carbon, please be carbon, please be carbon. It is carbon! Woo! All right, it is carbon fiber too. Check out the weave on that bad boy. Can't wait to get both of these installed, but we gotta wait because we got some more stuff coming in. Let's get this fully unwrapped. Be right back. I am ecstatic. The carbon weave on the mirror caps and the grill looks amazing. Great A. So I ordered both of these on October 29th, and today is November 11th. They got here, they came with express shipment from China, and I think I paid maybe $200 for both of them all together. So for the price of just getting the grill online from like a distributor that's based in the US, I got all of them from China. Can't be mad at that, but I have a couple more packages coming next week. We're gonna get all that together, and then we're gonna put it all on the car at one time. Maybe. We'll see. I might get a little impatient, just don't start throwing stuff on. So we'll check back,
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
I know I said I was gonna wait until I got everything to put it all together, but they were just looking at me in the face. So put these bad boys on. Installing these would be extremely simple because I've taken this grill off multiple times in the past. So let's get to it. Easiest way to do this, use a little prod tool. Here. Pause right now. Same thing on the other side. Here. Boom, grill out. Easy peasy.
And putting it on is just as simple. Let's check the fit. All you need to do is go. Just about to be able to jump to it. This carbon, let's break it.
Doesn't quite go on as easy as the other one, but first one's in there. All right, now for the second side. All you do is line up 3 tabs at the top, just like that. New grill installed. Yeah, installing the grill on these are real easy. Pop it in, pop it off. Do you prefer the carbon fiber look, or the new ones, or the old cerulean silver? I think I like the carbon. All right, let's check the fitment out. Yeah, I think it looks good. It went on easy, not quite as easy as it would with the factory grill, but simple enough, nonetheless. Took 5 minutes. Check out that carbon weave, it looks amazing. Next up, it's the mirrors. This might take a little bit longer. Hold it thought. For this one, gonna be a little interesting because I need to pop off this mirror. And I don't want to break it. Oh, that wasn't bad. Oh, that was my biggest fear. Easy. It's kind of hard to see, but it would have 2 clips here and one right in there. Once you just got to get those unhooked, then it should unhook the top of that, and then we can go on and pry off the back. Once you get those 2 clips popped out at the top, all you have to do is just kind of pry it loose to get those 3 clips at the bottom off. That's connected here. Boom, just pull it out. Out with the old. Now I have to go actually take this apart because you have to reuse that. While we're here, I'm gonna take off the other side. So, pop off these. And she's out. Just like that. Let's get these off of here. Yep, that make it a lot easier. Slide right out. And then pop off your clip here. Oops. Don't do that. Well, since that came off, that little clip is off, it just slots right out. Didn't plan on putting those back on, so that's not much of a big deal, but I didn't want to break it. Let's see about putting these into the new ones without tearing something up. Almost in there, so put it in there and just apply a little pressure. It pops right in. And screw it in. Well, that's interesting. The fitment on this one is just slightly different. I can almost slide this one in, while the other one I had to like pop it in there. Either way, it's in there. And the screw holes are kind of lining up, so let's lock it down. It's all done. Now let's go put them on. For reassembly, first things first, let's reinstall the turn signal. Should be just as easy as plugging it in. Boom, that goes in. Around there. Now we have to align everything. This on this side is not cooperating. It's too high. It has a small little lip on this side that you have to get up under everything. And once you do that, you can just kind of slide it on. Make sure the clips go back in. There we go. That's what I was satisfying click. It's on there. Check it out. I like it. Now to reinstall the mirror. Bam. We in there. Side number 2. I said on the other one, first things first, reinstall the light plug. Up under the lip. Make sure everything lines up. Clips coming through. And bam. My hands-on time is complete. We have the grill, carbon fiber grill installed, and the carbon fiber mirrors. They look good off the car, but they look even better on. I'm satisfied. I am feeding my carpet edition. So now we have the carbon grill, carbon mirrors, carbon side vents, carbon spoiler, carbon diffuser. Can't see it. Now all I need is a couple little pieces. We got a lip coming and we got some side skirts. Should be here. Or a little bit, it should be here shortly. My delivery got to push back, so sometime next week. So stay tuned. We'll get that installed, and be right back.